Heba Patel is a name that lot of young stars can relate to. She became a huge hit among the audience after her debut movie Kumari 21F. Latest buzz is that she has signed another Telugu movie with debutant Bhaskar, who managed to impress her with a great script. Heba Patel is pleased with the way Bhaskar shaped up her role and the script of this yet untitled project and gave green light recently. She feels that the role gives her scope to perform well like Kumari 21F, informs a source. Beckham Venugopala of Cinema Chupista fame is producing this film. Male lead is yet to be finalized. Wait is on to see how this Kumari performs in her next. Here's wishing the team all the best.
చేసుకోమంటే చేసుకుంటా. తర్వాత వాడెంత మనతో తిరిగినా, సిగరెట్స్తో కాల్చినా, తాగొచ్చు కొట్టినా నీకు అస్సలు చెప్పను.
లేడీస్ అంతే.